Hey guys, Paul Sprenger here, Sprenger's Detailing. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So I got a 79 Corvette and I looked at these rear taillights. As you can see, these factory two-piece taillights are super oxidized. I've probably seen a lot of headlight restoration videos. Well, you can restore taillights too. You can actually polish them out. I'm going to show you how I do it. So first of all, put a little tape down here just to protect the paint from my little tool here. I'll put this link down where you can buy this kit down below. You can hook this up to a drill, or I have it hooked up to my corded polisher, and I'm just going to step on it to use it. It turns this as fast as you have the setting on the polisher, turns this. So it's going to be a rotary polisher. This goes around and around really fast. Going to create a little bit of heat. Going to use a Jescar correcting compound. This might be a little long, but it takes time to get them right. You want to touch every single little piece of that tail light, and when you're done, they look really nice, and you don't have to buy new ones. You can polish the original tail lights on your car. So let's get started. I'm going to put a little bit on here, tiny bit, rub it in so it doesn't sling everywhere, and we'll get started. Sometimes it's easier with two hands to direct it, keep it where you want it. Kind of feel like you're a dentist with this tool. I'm putting some pressure on it. Really got to work that oxidation off these lights. So you can stop, get your towel, check your progress. Look at that. Ooh. That already looks 100 times better. So, like I said, it takes time. I'm going to try to get in those little outside cracks a little bit more. I'm going to wipe it off and check my progress. It's looking really nice. So that's kind of the easy part. These outer rings are the tough part. Just going to put a tiny bit. You just barely need any compound on this. If you use too much, it slings everywhere, makes a mess. You don't want that. Rub it in. And let's get started. You'll notice where my fingers are. I'm keeping it away from the paint, the tool. with my left hand, polishing with my right hand. Don't want to do any damage to your car or your customer's car. And the longer you sit there, the shinier it's going to be. Check our progress. Looking good, but I want better, so we're going to do it again. Progress again. It's looking a lot better. Whew. So these are real spongy. If you push super hard, you'll get most of that, but to get any of these outer cracks, you really want to leave it loose. And since you have compound and you have the rotation, you know, you barely got to touch these lights to get that shine. It just takes time. So they're looking good. So now let's go to these white ones. Because the white ones are a little more, they have some ridges in there. So we're going to work that one too. Same process. So it has ridges in it. I'm going to turn this at angles to get inside those little ridges. I'm going to do it all one way with this turn towards the right, and then all the other way with this turn towards the left. Not too much pressure. You don't want to smash that sponge like I showed you. You want it to get in those little pieces and cracks. Now this light's not crystal clear. I don't think you ever could get it to that point, but it sure is a lot better. Now let's get that outer ring, the red outer ring on that one. So these lights are looking a lot better. So I'm going to keep going a little bit. Might get boring, but I'm really trying to bring out the best. Seems like the more I do them, the better they look. It's actually really fun to bring, let's see, 79, 80, and he's 40. These lights are 40 years old. That's crazy. And you can bring them out to look pretty good. It's a fun part of detailing. Bringing something old back into new life. So let me show you what I finished up with, and I gotta go grab it. Give me 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. You've seen this in a lot of my other videos. Time to Shine ceramic sealer. You know what? I just polished out these plastic lights, and just like paint, I'm gonna put a sealant. This is a ceramic-based sealant. Just need a couple sprays, and it works on plastic. It's gonna protect these lights. Make them easier to clean. Keep that polished look for a long time. It's easy to use. I can get rid of the tape right now. Okay. Don't need much on these lights, but I work it in. Dry side, dry it off. Well, there you have it, people. They sure look a lot better. And it was just this little tool you can get on a drill, on a grinder, polisher. I use the Jescar correcting compound. It works very well on plastic. I've done it a million times. You can see the results. Hope this helps somebody. Have fun in your garage. Get them lights looking better, and I'll see you next time on Sprenger's Detailing on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube on my YouTube channel. Appreciate you watching. Thanks again.